Hello friends, in this video I'm going to show you how to insert the euro symbol in Google Sheets. So firstly select cell where you want to insert this euro symbol. In my case I want to insert and apply this euro symbol in this cell. Then click on this drop down. So you will see more formats. So click on this drop down. Now click on more formats. Then click on more currencies. Now you will find a list of currencies. Just you need to find out euro, this one. So select it, then click on apply. Now type your number, then press enter. That's it. So as we can see, we have now this euro sign in Google Sheets. The very Google Sheets, very quick and easy method. Type very easy and quick method. Click on this drop down, more formats, more currencies, and find out euro from this list. Then click on apply. Now enter your number, then press enter. That's it. Thanks for watching.